The Westinghouse WPX3000e electric pressure washer delivers impressive cleaning power, with a maximum pressure of 3,000 psi and a flow rate of 1.76 gallons per minute. Equipped with a heavy-duty AC 120-volt electric engine and a maintenance-free axial cam pump, this pressure washer ensures long-lasting performance. The onboard 1.6-liter soap tank and 5 interchangeable nozzle tips make it versatile enough to handle a variety of cleaning tasks, from cars to patios. Its robust steel frame construction, along with 12-inch high-profile, 10-inch never-flat wheels, and a 35-foot GFCI cord, provides excellent mobility and maneuverability. The 25-foot abrasion-resistant hose and lightweight high-pressure metal spray gun with 5 quick-connect nozzles offer flexibility and ease of use. Backed by a 3-year limited manufacturer service, labor, and parts coverage, the Westinghouse WPX3000e is a reliable choice for tackling tough cleaning jobs.